chives, one of the first ones to come up, and they don't mind the cold. So we are in the garden in mid-April, and it can look pretty bleak. We're zone number 6, but look at all the green chives coming up. I've put it in these cement blocks I have. I usually put like peppers or something next to them. I can cut them down, and then the peppers won't be shaded in. But yeah, they're coming back nice. A little catnip there. If you've already seen the catnips videos, then you know it self-seeds, and it's pretty hardy. It can go anywhere. I use them as dividers. So, and just for decoration too. Oh, well, not just for decoration, but in my garden. And you'll see in some of the new videos, or the next videos and sections, how wonderfully they come up. You see them in several areas that we're walking around. You know, definitely always the first green of the garden coming in, so you can clump it. You can make it into rows. I like them just kind of tucked away in the little corners. But kind of rows and dividers. They're nice to make a row or a divider. You'll see how much fuller this will get. I can divide and divide that for a long time. And if you had any doubt that this was sage, not sage, I'm sorry, that was my last video, that this was chive, let's smell. Let's give it a little between your fingers. I smell that oniony chive smell. But I do have it prolifically in my garden. It'll just... this is probably everything you see from it was probably from one original plant, and I just divided and divided it. I used to try to keep certain plants separated over here, and I had a zigzag of a line. I think this is probably where my original ones were. And then I divided it and moved it and divided it and moved it and divided it and moved it. It's 2020 now. Probably got it in 2012. But it brings so much color, and you will see in one of the next sections when it goes to flower, and it's the first one of the first ones to flower in my garden. Just the beauty it brings. So for beauty alone, if I did not use it for cooking, just for beauty alone, I would use it. So enjoy chives.